recipe, that ingredients is very good. So that's why I have to try. I have to purchase. That's one. Oh, okay. The like simple. I don't like it. I choking on cream from China. The pie is very. Let me show you my cat. I just shaved his hair a few days ago. And actually, I really like to shave my pet hair because sometimes I want to sleep with them and I carry them, I kiss them every time. And if they're hairy, all the hair will stuck on my clothes or the bed. It's not good. Look, see? Even though now he looks so ugly, but trust me, the hair will grow back very fast because this is not the first time I cut my pet hair, so I know the process out. Okay, he just run away. Hello you guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I'll unbox the products that I bought from a Chinese platform, which is Pinduoduo, and had shipped over to Vietnam. I had a whole series of unboxing videos like this. If you guys interested, you guys can check it out, the one right here. This video is a part of an unboxing series. So if you're interested, you can check out the other unboxing video in this series. Now, let's get into the main part of the video. Or you can click on this right corner. And now let's get started. I have to make the thumbnail for this one, so let's make thumbnail first. Actually, this one that I bought from China on Pinduoduo, and this one I bought on TikTok shop in Vietnam. Sorry, I don't remember. So I just got this package and this package from yesterday, I believe. And yesterday I was going out for sashimi dinner by myself, so that's why I can't make the unboxing video yesterday, but I tried to make the unboxing today before going out to the coffee and working on my laptop in the coffee shop again in this weekend. And I'm going out to catch up with a friend later, which I knew him more than 8 years ago, and recently I just reconnected with him such as an old friend. And when I communicate with him, oh, I know that the time is passed by so super fast. I knew him when I was teaching foreigner on site, and now I moved to an online teaching Vietnamese. It was so long times ago. The time is so terrible. Everything is so fast. Sorry, I just remember all the things happened to me recently, and those years I try to continue, I try to level up myself, I try to learn, I try to do as much as I can, and I try to improve my English. But you know that when I speak outside and when I speak in front of the camera is so different. I am a shy girl, and when I speak in front of the camera, I have to think a lot. And should I say this? I should not say this. And sometimes I get messed up. And then English structure in my head was going so away to my brain, so I cannot focus on what I'm trying to say. And that is where I mess up with all the things I want to say. I'm trying to say. Actually, I don't know, should I film this video for horizontal or vertical? Because look, this is so small. I don't know. This video is long enough to make an unboxing video that I bought on Pinduoduo, which is a Chinese platform. I have to go out later to the coffee shop, and where I don't usually film myself in the coffee shop. If I film, I just put the camera as a vertical, so people will think I'm just selfie. So it's not like to make a video I will not be shy. But beside that, I have been making the unboxing video as a horizontal. So I think, okay, let me make a horizontal video, and maybe I will put some of the footage. I went to the sashimi dinner last night, so to make the video longer enough. Actually, shipper just came and he left the package in my grandma house. So I don't know, should I go out to pick up that package and put it right here to make it more product for me to unbox? Yeah, let me do it. One more package that I bought on TikTok shop in Vietnam too. So look, I'm gonna make another thumbnail. Okay, that is enough. Let's unbox this one right now. It's quite a lot, so that's why. So I think, oh, this video is okay. I don't know which one I would choose for my thumbnails, but I'll unbox this one. Look, this is the light. Where to charge? Oh, like this. Wow. Let me try to put on this one. Can I? And the charger. I got the light like this, so you can put the light on the flat. And actually, this one, why broken like this? So super sad. Sad. And this one, and actually I can, how to say, hook up this one with this one. This is my tripod, and you can turn it over like this. This is where the power is, so you can charge and switch 3 mode and store more light in here. And this one you can put on like this. Now this one and this one. Let me open this. Let me turn the power on. Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks better. Only one miss less, it is the broken light on the light. I think I'm gonna unbox this one because I'm gonna use this today. It is I think the light and the phone heavy, so it dropped down. So my tripod is dropped down like this. So that's why I see the frame. It's not the same where I set up. So I will put laptop in here, carry like this. Where I go out to the coffee shop in this one later. This is how it look like. This one next. This is the product, the cream that I bought from last time, and I haven't finished to use it, but because it was on sale. The price is very cheap. Oh my goodness, it's good, but you know that the light might be so heavy. It dropped out like that. I don't like it. I have to make the video faster. Why it keep dropping down like this? So I bought 5 for this hydroquinone cream. And next, I don't like it. Why it keep dropping down? Don't dropping down, okay? Please stay firm. Next. This one, only one. And this is also hydroquinone cream, which is different company. This one I also bought just on my episode 10 unboxing product on Pinduoduo, I think so. And I think I'll public the unboxing video that I bought product on Pinduoduo episode 10 before uploading episode 8, 9. And this one, it might be episode 11. So this one is hydroquinone cream, and this one also hydroquinone cream. Next. Oh, this is more. I don't know why I bought so much. This is the same. Okay, this is too much already. This is 5. I think it's on sale. It's really cheap. So that's why I bought like this. Otherwise, I won't. Hydroquinone cream from China. This one I bought 10. And that one, hydroquinone cream. This one is 11 already. And my previous episode 8, 9, 10, I also bought a lot of hydroquinone. I might be crazy already. Next. Don't tell me this is also hydroquinone cream. Oh, this one I supposed to receive this long time ago, but only now they miss it. This is tranexamic acid as a liquid. Last time I bought tranexamic acid as a cream, but now as a liquid. Okay, let me apply on my skin. Okay, let me introduce a little bit about this cream. Why I recently bought a lot of hydroquinone cream and tranexamic acid. It's because I did my study. I researched a lot of information about the pigmentations cream. And recently, there is a trend on Vietnam that all the spa have a service that they will make the private part of the girl above and below become pink color. You know, as an Asia, our skin is not like white like Western people. So the color down there above will not be like beauty as a Western girl. So they have a lot of, I saw they have a lot of promote that service. So I wonder how can they change the color skin to become pink like that. Maybe I'll put the picture right here. I don't know if you think so far, but I just curious and I just want to research how can they make it happen. What cream do they use and what is the method? Do they make money on that? As a business girl, I always curious how to make money, and especially those service as a very, very good business. So I just want to study, and with ChatGPT, I think I found the right cream ingredient for that as a hydroquinone cream and tranexamic acid. And I did study a lot from YouTube and TikTok. I asked ChatGPT and DeepSeek too. Hydroquinone cream is the best pigmentation cream, but it has some side effect. You cannot use this cream for forever. It will has a rebound on your skin. It will make your skin more damage before using. So hydroquinone is the top one of the pigmentation cream. Like I said, it has cons and pros too. So hydroquinone you cannot use over 3 months. Maybe I will put some of the research, or I will attach some reference. The second ingredient that you can replace for the hydroquinone cream, it is tranexamic acid, and I bought this one because it has 3% of tranexamic acid and panthenol, arbutin. 3 that ingredients is very good. So that's why I have to try. I have to purchase all of the cream that will help with the pigmentation, so I don't have to pay the amount of money, go to the spa to study how to do that for the customers. So I might have tested. Maybe in the future, I might have service like that. Just me, it's just very easy to do. So that's why I'm very curious. How can they do like that? But I tested. The result is not good as in the spa that I went to. I don't know, should I pay money direct study from the spa? I was so confused. I was so, I really want to study from that spa. But when I went to the service, I don't have the feeling of really welcome. I feel they try to judge me more when they speak in live stream. It's very, very different when I meet them in the real person. So I'm so confused. I'm so hesitant to pay for the course. So that's why I try to study by myself. I found cream, but you know that to make that cream, you have to mix a lot of ingredients. So that's why I have been, and I keep in buy hydroquinone cream and tranexamic acid. That's it. Enough. I finished all of the products that I bought on Pinduoduo, and right now I'll move on to the next package. It will be the products that I bought on TikTok shop. This one. Show on the camera in case something wrong in the box. Wow. Now so hungry, so I can try one. Let me try. Which one should I go for? Okay, the taste. This one. This one. Oh, okay. I like it. It's a little. It's a very little. Only 32 grams. because I'm very hungry right now. This is lunch time already. I haven't had anything in my stomach yet. Can you see inside? Let me find myself a spoon. The camera is dropping down again. I don't like it. I think you have to mix it with something like rice. This one you can just eat as a snack. Let's move to the last package for today. This is how I receive it. It's so big. Me open and use it for my group. And that's it for the video today. I will have to clean up right now, and I will have to find something to eat as my stomach is angry at me right now. And I'll go out to the coffee and work on my laptop today. So I really have no time for today, and I have to adjust some of the effect in the episode 10, and I will be upload the episode 10 for today, and next week will be episode 9, 8, and I will have to edit this video and the video yesterday I made when I mukbang the sashimi in the restaurant. I have a lot of videos need to edit. And yes, as always, I hope you guys have a good weekend ahead, and always stay positive, healthy, happy, and money always come into you guys' pocket, because that is what I always want to in my life. If you guys want me to make any type of videos, you guys can comment down below. And recently I really think maybe I should find a place to move out, and then I can make a series of living alone. My place is all of the product stuff, so I couldn't do that in my place right now. I'm thinking, should I move out to make a series of living alone series? Like, I'm so hesitate. I don't have courage to do that. Really, I hope you guys can comment down below on what you guys want me to make the video. What type of the content do you want me to make the videos? Or do you have any ideas for my YouTube channel? If you guys have any recommend, please comment down below. I will consider very seriously. And thank you for your time to watch my video. And I hope the more I film videos, the more I can practice, and the more my English will be influent, the more people watching my video. I hope so. I saw a lot of girls, they make videos without speak in the videos, and they still have a lot of views. I wonder, should I do that? I don't need to talk anything in the camera. It should be more smooth for me to make that kind of videos. But because I really want to put myself in the environment that I have to speak English, I really appreciate your time to watching my video, and see you guys in my next video again. Bye bye. Hello you guys. Hi. Hello you guys, welcome back. Hello you guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. My cat again. Okay, let me open the door for him to go out.